almalar or almalar, bulutlu or bulutli. Guys, which one is right? If you don't know which one is correct and how to add the suffixes to the words in Azerbaijani, so you're in the right place. So today's topic is the vowel harmony, guys. By the way, if you don't know what are the vowels in Azerbaijan, just watch my video here or there, I don't know. So guys, what is the vowel harmony? Actually, it makes our speaking more harmonical, more musical. It is very helpful and so important rule for Azerbaijani learners, because if you know them correctly, you will speak the same like natives. So, okay, let's start. Suffixes in Azerbaijani are differentiated two parts, mostly two parts. One is the four-formed suffixes and another one is two ways. Two ways, two varianted, or four ways, four variant suffixes. It doesn't matter how to say. So, two-way suffixes are this: ajak, ajay, or maybe lar, lar. Actually, they are written like this. We write two over the suffix. So there are many suffixes like this, but they are using a and a inside. Lar, lar, ar. Great. Guys, how will you use suffixes with them? For example, let me write one word. Alma. Alma. If you want to say, make it plural and want to say alma in plural form, you will add lar. Alma lar. Not almalar. Why? Because you will look at the word alma, the last vowel is a. A. Do you remember the back vowels, which are a, o, u? If you see a, o, or u, any of them in the word, especially the last vowel in the word, you will know that you will use a after that. So, after back vowels, you will use a, almalar. Or, for example, kaç ajak, not ajay. But, if there is e, I, and u, which are front vowels in Azerbaijani, if you see these vowels in the word, after that, you will add lar. The suffix form which you have a inside. Lar. For example, gel, geleceği. Or gül, you say güller. Alright? If you see back vowels in the word, you will add a lar, our version. But if you see the front vowels in the word, especially the last vowel in the word, if it is front, you will add a, the suffix which has a inside. For example, as I said, güller. Because of ü, we say a, güller. But kitaplar. Because of a, you add lar, kitaplar. That's all for the two ways suffixes. So let's go another one. Okay guys, next one is four form suffixes. This is a little bit difficult comparing to the first one, because in first one there are two ways, but this one has four ways. That's why there are more. So this is one example of it. Le, li, lu, lu. Or shortly we write it like this. The suffix and over we write four. This is short version, but this is long way. And because of the different vowels, we added different words. So if you don't know which vowels you need to add to the suffix, like le, li, lu, lu, just look at the vowels. One has dot, another one hasn't. Like this. Le, has no dot. E has dot. U has not dot. U has dot. Le, li, lu, lu. It is one tip for learning them. If you remember, guys, while I was explaining the vowels, I said you just learn them in order, like this. A, o, u, A, E, U. You know why? I will explain. Look at this. A, O, U. A, E, U. Okay, this is same order. For if you see in the word, the last vowel of the word is A or A. If you see A or in the word, you will add the suffix which has in it. L or J or D. They are different suffixes because of that. So another one. O, U. If you see O or U in the word, you will add lu or U in the suffix. So if you see the word E, you will add E, suffix which has E letter in it. U, you will add U letter in it, like this. Okay, if you didn't understand this, just memorize this table. Guys, I really understand you. It seems difficult for you firstly because you are a foreigner while learning in Turkish languages. It might seem complicated and challenges for you. But if you practice it, if you make words with them, it will be easier time by time. For example, let's try this one. If you see this word, kaç, what will you add? If you would like to add acak or acak, which one will you add? Kaç, acak. Because of A, you add A. Kaç, acak, kaçacak, which means he will run. Yeah, he will run. Kaçacak, kaçacak, kaçacak. For example, let's add some words. Bulut, U, you will add suffix lu. Bulut, lu. Then marak, A. Maraklı, maraklı. As you remember, I said you if you see A and you will add L. Maraklı. Then gazabli. Gazabli means nervous. Gazabli or angry. Gazabli. You add li because of A in the word. Gazabli. Tüstü. What will you add? Yes, Ü, because of Ü. Tüstülü. It means smoky. Yeah, smoky. Tüstülü. Okay? This is like this. I know that it shows a little bit difficult, but you can have it.